Bay Area, where criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully practices law. And have you ever had a client that is just so full of it that you can't continue on with the defense as that client wants you to? And how do you handle a situation like that?
So you have to revert to what does the evidence show. You have to be very, very clinical. And that was something that that I learned early on when you have a client whose theory of the case or purported facts vary widely from the evidence. Say, what does the evidence show? What does the evidence show? And you present that to the jury. You don't lie, cheat, or steal. As a defense attorney, our profession can be very honorable, and defense attorneys can be very honorable. So that's what you do. You focus on what does the evidence show. But to your point of when the client wants you to go one way and you have to go another way because the client's theory doesn't work, it's a difficult situation. Some people conflict out. I generally don't do that. I've generally had to conflict out very few times. But yeah, you just go your own way. An attorney is not obligated to present their client's theory to the defense. Other times you do, if that's the only thing and they really want to do it, you can present their defense. If they take the stand, you don't ask them questions. You let them do it in a narrative form.
Do you think he takes a stand here to explain Jim McIntyre? Or, I mean, there has to be phone records or something that makes Jim McIntyre, this mysterious person, come alive a little bit for the jury. Or, I don't know. Do you think he takes a stand, demands to get up there and just rattles this off?
That might be the only chance he thinks that he has. You're talking about evidence. I think if such evidence existed, they would have presented it. You don't hold it until the last minute. If you have something good, you present it to the jury. The first impression is the best impression. So it depends on how convoluted this man's mind is. If he thinks that he can bamboozle the jury and he's confident enough, the client can demand to take the stand, and you can't stop them. Like I said, if you feel that you have an ethical conflict with what they're going to say, you don't want to be a part of kind of bringing it before the jury. You get permission from the judge to just let them go up there and just give their story.
Yeah, well, if that happens, we'll see it play out, and the jury will have to endure it. Joseph Tully, as always, thank you. When we come back, more of the defendant Nick Kassotis and his police interview. Stay with us. We'll be right back.